Talk about cool. After a freak snowstorm, Florida's first ski resort was built. But when the snow melted, it became Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. Where you can slide 12 stories down from towering Mount Gushmore. There's so much to do. Ride a chairlift for a broad view of all the splashy fun and to reach the mountain's peak. Challenge your family to a carefree race down the toboggan slopes. Take a rumbling raft ride down the mountain. And while thrill seekers are riding the slopes, kids can frolic at their own attractions. With even tinier tots enjoying slides just for them. Don't miss the Splash Fest at Disney's Blizzard Beach.